No jumping, dude. Tuck, Tuck, don't yell at her. Play with her. Go get him, Daff. Oh, no, 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 no. Go get him, Daff. Allie, you're not playing. What's wrong, sweetie? You lazy? She's just giving kisses. Hi, Miss Dora. Don't be rude, Tucker. Do not, please. I can't handle it, Dad. Hi, Miss Dory. She wants to play with Dora. Tucker, Tucker. Hang on. Are you checking in on your pal? How's Miss Olive? How's Miss Olive? How's Miss Olive? Olive? Who's a cutie pie, Olive? Dude! Hold, no jumping. Jumping. Hi, Jonas. Jonas. Hi, Jonas. What's up, handsome boy? You're cute, dude. Just shy. It's all right. You're okay, dude. No, off. Hi, Jonas. So handsome. Yes, you are. So handsome. You're here for the rubs, aren't you? What are you here for? Ted? Ted. I love you, Ted. You just can't be mean to the new kids, alright? Can't be mean to the new kids. Easy, Dora. Daphne, leave. Daphne. Daphne, leave. Easy, Dora. Dora.